Hey everyone, my name's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Sorry my ring light is in my glasses. I have no contacts left, but I wanted to get this video up for you guys. I'm going to be trying out this Brae Beauty Sleep Night Serum that I just received, and it's dark and I need a ring light, so sorry about that if that's annoying. It'll just be for this first part of the video, and then tomorrow it will be light out, so I won't need to use this ring light. It's Brae. So I have used it once already and I really liked it, but I wanted to show you what my hair looked like before and then tomorrow afterwards. I just had a shower, just got home from the gym and showered, washed my hair. So this is my hair freshly washed and like just air dried. It says on the back to use at night before sleeping. Apply to lengths and ends of wet or dry hair with an adequate amount to cover the strands. If applying on wet hair, dry it with a towel first. So my hair is pretty dry already. Massage gently until completely absorbed. These are the ends. Like this, and just comb it through. It smells really good. It smells like a salon, honestly. It doesn't smell too like chemically, but it smells like new hair. That's what I can describe it as. Do the other side. It comes in like this little squeeze bottle. So I'm just gonna put this in the bottoms of my hair on this side. Okay, so that's what all I'm gonna put in. I mean, it's not leaving my hair feeling sticky, or you know how like sometimes it just feels like dirty? I don't know. Some products just make my hair don't feel very good, but this doesn't. Like I can't even really tell that it's in. And it does make it like a little bit smoother already. So I'm excited to see what it does like overnight.